Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters. Today, I want to talk to you about the lessons that Muslims can learn from the ongoing farmers' protest. We see our farmer brothers and sisters standing united, fighting for their rights and demanding justice. They are showing us the power of unity and perseverance. Just like the farmers are standing together regardless of their differences, we as Muslims should also unite and stand together in the face of injustices. We should support each other and fight for what is right. We can also learn the importance of patience and resilience from the farmers. They have been protesting for months, facing hardships and challenges, but they have not given up. As Muslims, we should also have patience and resilience in the face of adversity. We should continue to strive for justice and uphold our principles, even in the face of difficulties. So, let us take inspiration from our farmer brothers and sisters and strive to be better Muslims. Let us stand united, be patient, and work towards a better future for ourselves and our community. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Jazak Allah khair.